So friends, let's see this delicious Bangda Cutlets recipe. Now here I've taken about 5 small mackerels or Bangda, washed them really well, cleaned the insides. As you can see, everything has been taken out, so it's nice and clean. And I'm going to take some water. Take a big pot, add water, and you're going to add this Bangda or mackerel, because we're going to boil this mackerel till it's nice and soft. So bring the water to a boil on a medium heat, and once it cooks completely, let the fish cool down. Once it is cooled down, you just have to remove all the skin as well as the bones. We're only going to retain and use the flesh of the fish. So now the fish is nice and cooked. You will see that the color is turned to a nice thick opaque white on the outside. So just remove that. See that no bones. There are very fine bones in the Bangda. See that none of the bones go into the dish. Be extremely careful. And the flesh really comes off very easily because now it has been cooked. Do remove the skin. We're not going to use the skin, only the flesh. So you can see that there are very fine bones, so be extremely careful. So this is all the fleshy part of the fish that we've got from the 5 small Bangdas. Now I'm going to add 2 green chillies that I've cut fine. Now you can adjust the spice level according to your taste. Next, I'm going to add 4 cloves of garlic and half an inch of ginger that I've chopped really fine. Don't put ginger garlic paste. Add 1 medium onion chopped fine. Instead, use freshly chopped ginger and garlic and 1/4 cup of finely chopped coriander. Next, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder. Some salt to taste, approximately half a teaspoon or 1 teaspoon. Adjust it according to your taste. And we're going to break in 1 egg. Now I've taken 4 boiled potatoes, peeled them, mashed them, and add that also. And I'm going to mix everything well together. And we're going to keep some breadcrumbs at hand, because if you find that the mixture is not, it's not in a solid form, it still requires some kind of body to get it all together, then you add a little breadcrumbs at a time. So first mix everything really well together. And if you find that your mixture is good enough to form the cutlets, then you don't need to add breadcrumbs. Otherwise, just add a little bit so that it gets some body, and retain some breadcrumbs because we're going to coat the cutlets with the breadcrumbs when we're going to shallow fry them. Now this is a very tasty dish, and it goes so well with some rice, sorak, and some pickle, brinjal pickle, tonli pickle. So now I'm just going to form cutlets. You can form croquets also. And for beginners, for boiling the potatoes, what I did is I took 4 small potatoes or medium-sized potatoes, added it to my pressure cooker, cooked it on 1 whistle on high, and then simmered it for 10 minutes, let them cool completely, and then peeled them. So now I'm just going to roll them in the breadcrumbs and give them a nice shape. Now to make breadcrumbs at home, just take a few slices of bread or pav and just grind them in your mixer. Now from the mixture, I got about 10 cutlets out of 5 small Bangdas. Now I also have a recipe for how to make shark or mori cutlets. I'll leave that in the description box below, as well as the comment section. So you can make these cutlets and keep them in your refrigerator, and when you're ready to fry, just shallow fry them in some oil. And now all we're left to do is just shallow fry them till they're lovely golden brown in color. And trust me guys, you have to try this out. It has a very unique taste and it is really delicious. I know it is a little bit of a tedious job to clean the fish and remove the bones, but you know what? Once you cook the fish, it really is a very easy task. So I hope you do give this recipe a try, and check out all my other recipes in the description as well as the comment section below. Do leave this recipe a good thumbs up if you really liked it, and do subscribe and follow my channel. Share my recipes with family and friends. So I'll see you in my next recipe. Take care, guys.